In today's video, I'm going to show you, as you have seen by the title itself, a way that you can earn money just by listening to music. And for this, you will only need your mobile device, having a good and a strong internet connection, grab your earphones and start listening to music. And by doing this, you are going to get paid. I know it sounds too good to be true, but everything is real, and I'm going to prove it to you by showing throughout this video how you can do it and how you can get paid. Now guys, if you in free time listening to music might be your best hobby, then you're really going to enjoy this method. So stop listening to music for free, but listen and earn money at the same time. So grab your earphones, prepare yourself, find your best playlist, and listen carefully because I'm going to show you how you can get paid. Now, before I reveal to you more information, first I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel but also turn on notification bell so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now let's jump over to the site that we are going to find the applications that we have to download to our mobile devices. Now I have a great news for you because you are going to check out that this is available on the App Store and also on Google Play. So even for the Android users, but also for the Apple users, you can earn great rewards, but also money. Now you can check out that this website has made a small calculation and has given to you an idea on how much you can make. Now guys, don't take this too much into consideration because I'm going to show you some great tips on how you can earn even more than that. Now let's check a little bit how do these applications look. So if we open them on Google Play, it looks like this. Make money and earn cash rewards. And here you are going to check out that 10 millions plus downloads have been made. Now, if you click on about this app, you can get more information about it. But I'm going to show you the tips and tricks at the end of this video on how you can earn double more. So this is for the Android users. Let's check out a little bit for the Apple users. It's called Current Rewards Offline Music. And you can check out the iPhone screenshots how it looks. So guys, you are going to see that you can listen to music and earn money with them. Now I have another news. You don't have to pay any penny for this. So if you're thinking that I'm going to tell you that you have to make any purchase, that's not true. This is not in-app purchase. This is a free and you're going to see that you will enjoy. They will have some only ads, but they are completely for free, which means that you won't be required in any way to pay money towards it. Now guys, I'm going to show you how you can earn with this, but I'm going to show you how you can spend your points because you can spend them on gift cards in your favorite services, physical products and electronics, and donations to select charities. So, how do you earn more per play? With every tap of the play button, you can earn points. The speed at which you can earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. Now guys, let's go over to the, let's say, way on how you're going to get paid. Let's say that now you got all the information and what has left is just installing this on your devices. So for Android users, go over to Google Play and install it. For the App Store, for Apple Store users, just go over to the App Store and download it. Now, after having this on your devices, just open it and now we have to connect it with an app music. And I have a great choice for you, which is called music.youtube.com. So, Music YouTube is here for you and it's going to give you some amazing playlists that you can explore by yourself too, but I'm also going to give you a great playlist that you can listen to it and get paid. Now, you can have over here today biggest hits, romantic moods, recommended music videos, and many more. Now, guys, let's go over to the playlist that I promised to you, which is this one. So this is called like this. you can just write down this on YouTube Music and it's going to be shown up to you. Over here, you have 57 songs and it's 3 hours long. More longer the playlist, more you are going to earn. And the songs are really great choice too because you can find the new ones and mixed with the best old songs too. Now, after you have finished up with this, you can search up for different recommendations from the YouTube Music too. So guys, just open the playlist on the background, enjoy the music, connect it with one of these applications, and while you're listening, you're going to get paid and earn rewards. Now, another way, despite opening YouTube Music and listening to all of these great choices over here, which you're going to enjoy, another way is by YouTube. So you can connect these applications with YouTube and open different playlists. As you have seen, I already have opened 3 different playlists on the background, which are the top best songs for 2022 or throughout the years. And you can see that this one over here is alive. Now I have put all of these playlists on mute. Why so? Because YouTube gives you the opportunity to open more than different playlists at the same time because you can open different tabs. So in this way, you are going to earn more with this way. Now just put it on the mute mode and you can leave it on the background. Even if you are at your job, a full-time job, you can open this on the background and you can earn some extra money. So you can do your current job, but at the same time, you can listen to music in the background and get paid. Now, for those who reach out this part of this video, congratulations because I have a bonus trick for you. Now, guys, with YouTube Speed Controller, you can earn even more. Why so? Because the speed controller on YouTube has a limit. You can make it 2 times faster, but that's all. While with YouTube Speed Controller, you can make it 5 times faster or 3 times faster, which means that you can finish up listening to all of these playlists faster, and in this way you can open new ones and earn more because faster you finish the playlist, more money you can earn. So as you have understood, this is a very good way of earning money. Won't make you the richest person out there for sure, but still, while listening to music for free when you can listen and get paid some extra money. So guys, I really hope you have learned something new today throughout this video. And if you want to, you can check out other videos that I have published already on my YouTube channel. So in this way, you can get a more general idea on how you can get paid these days online. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos.